November 677, November Delta. Turn left, heading 200. I'm going to have you follow your company ahead.
I've always wondered what it would be like to land a plane in the Grand Canyon. Me and my brother Oli used to do it as kids on our granddad's PC in Microsoft Flight Simulator. This was the day that in 2 Cessna 172s we flew to the beginning of the Grand Canyon to do it for real. So we're just at Henderson Executive this morning, checking out 2 Cessna 172s off up to Marble Canyon.
See you in Marble Canyon, boy.
See you there, man.
November 4, November Delta, make a right downwind departure for now. Runway 35 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35 left with a right downwind departure for Skyhawk 4 November Delta.
November 0 Mike Alpha, traffic departure prior to arrival of Skyhawk, runway 35 left, clear to land. November 7, November Delta, right downwind departure approved, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff.
Right downwind departure approved, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff, Skyhawk 7 November Delta.
I'll do an orbit here just to bring us closer to go.
That's no question. Roger, I'm 500 above.
Do you remember when we did this on Flight Simulator?
I was just about to say that.
Ollie, how crazy is this?
Just trying to take it in. Just trying to take it in. So much to see.
Live in the moment, brother. Live in the moment.
I can't believe the shot I'm getting right now.
Likewise. Are you shooting my way?
Hey, sir.
It's hard to put into words how amazing this is, to just be able to jump in a Cessna, for your brother to get in another one, and to just be able to fly off into the Grand Canyon. I am unbelievably appreciative of the gift of flight. The idea that humans invented flying machines. So we're just beginning our descent into Marble Canyon, and it is absolutely ridiculously beautiful. Cannot believe we're doing this.
I'm on the beginning, the left downwind, Bill.
Coming around to the right, follow in behind you.
You'll beat me if you want to go ahead.
You want the same video?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
I don't want you to scratch my plane.
Marble Canyon traffic, Skyhawk 604 November Delta is 10 to the south, setting up for a straight-in runway 3, Marble Canyon.
Marble Canyon, Cessna 677 November Delta is 15 to the south, setting in for a long final runway 3.
Marble Canyon traffic, Skyhawk 604 November Delta is on a 3-mile final runway 3, full stop, Marble Canyon.
Marble Canyon traffic, Skyhawk 677 November Delta is 4-mile final for runway 3, full stop.
Well, that was terrifying.
What? Where are we and what have we just done? How crazy was that approach? Look where we are, mate. How mental is this?
This is nuts.
Oh,
I've got no words. That approach to Marble Canyon and the runway it's a little bit terrifying. Are you in agreement on that?
yeah,
We're both that
on
is
the short final, it's terrifying because you can't tell how high that runway is, can you?
no.
And you just don't
Total
know
optical illusion, and it's like there's no go
okay?
around. It was all right. It was like one of my typical Cessna landings.
Yeah.
So there was a bit of a bounce.
Yeah.
And then
My
a bit of a yaw and a bump to the. So it was happy feet on the rudders, keeping it on the centre line.
That is insane. That is just insane.
Yeah. Just make sure your battery's off so we don't discharge.
Down in Marble Canyon. There he is.
So we've just landed at Marble Canyon, little formation, loose formation of two Cessnas, me and Oli on the ground, aircraft on the runway behind us. This is mind-blowing,
Isn't it just?
So Marble Canyon easily wins the award for craziest flight I've ever done. The runway bends round at the end, and it's incredible and terrifying in equal measure. So we're just taking in Marble Canyon, and then we're going to pop to Page, quick refueling stop, and then back to Las Vegas. But Marble Canyon, I can't recommend it highly enough. This place is incredible.
Marble Canyon traffic, Skyhawk 604 November Delta is taking off runway 21 Marble Canyon.
How was that takeoff at?
Better than the land. Page traffic, Skyhawk 604 November Delta is on a 3-mile final for runway 33 Page.
Cue the dramatic music for what might have been the fastest refuelling on record, as the nerves of flying single-engine piston over mountains at night kicked in.
Page traffic, Skyhawk 7 November Delta, short final, runway 33 Page.
Go ahead and taxi straight west and come around the red and white 207s, and on row 4 there'll be some spots for you.
Super, thank you.
Page traffic 430, Lima flight of 3, 1 mile final, straight in, 33 Page.
Now, Ollie wasn't best pleased with me with the sun low in the sky, but now was time to put training into practice.
Love you, brother. You've got this.
What a day, man. What are your thoughts?
Get me back to Henderson.
You're going to feel great when you get on the ground, though.
No.
604 November Delta, radar contact 25 miles west of Page, Delta indicates 9,800. You said you're a Cessna 172 and you're going to Henderson.
Apex Cessna 172 VFR to Henderson Executive. And there is another aircraft behind us. They are with us, but we aren't to flight of 2. He's going to call to pick up flight following also. Better have something to eat. I bought a Rice Krispies cake. I did buy one from you, but I can't get it to you.
I'll pull up on you. sun is setting on me.
It is on me. Don't let the sun go down on me, yeah.
November 604, November Delta, turn left heading 230, vector for Henderson.
Left heading 230 for Henderson, Skyhawk 604, November Delta.
Southwest 4814, reduce speed to 170.
Speed 175, 4814.
November 7, November Delta, fly heading 230.
230, Skyhawk 7, November Delta. Vectored in 2 Cessnas. Who do we think we are?
November 677, November Delta, turn left heading 200. I'm going to have you follow your company ahead.
Left heading 200, Skyhawk 7, November Delta.
November 4, November Delta, descend and maintain 6,500.
Descend and maintain 6,500, Skyhawk 4, November Delta.
Cessna 4, November Delta, whenever you're ready, you can start your descent. The Henderson Airport is off your 2 o'clock and 9 miles.
Starting that descent and have the field inside, Skyhawk 4, November Delta.
4 November Delta, roger, resume on navigation.
Out navigation, Skyhawk 4, November Delta.
Delta 2580, contact tower 11875.
Tower 1875, Delta 2580.
Cessna 7, November Delta, whenever you're ready, you can start your descent as well. Henderson is 2 o'clock, 10 miles.
Ready to start descent, 7 November Delta.
Vegas, good evening, Janet, 10 level 17,000. We're descending via J2, runway 1 left transmission with Juliet.
Janet 10, roger, expect runway 1 left. Cessna 4 November Delta, contact tower 125.1.
Tower 125.1, really appreciate the vector, so good day, Skyhawk 4, November Delta. Henderson Tower, Skyhawk 604, November Delta, full stop inbound.
Skyhawk 604 November Delta, Anderson Tower, number 2 behind a Skyhawk, that's at your 11:30 to 12 o'clock and 3 miles. Make straight in for runway 35 left, runway 35 left, cleared to land.
Henderson Tower, Skyhawk 677 November Delta is 2 miles south of the ridge, inbound, full stop.
Skyhawk 677 November Delta, Anderson Tower, your number 3 following another Skyhawk at your 12 o'clock and 3.5 miles. Runway 35 left, cleared to land.
Number 3, runway 35 left, clear to land and looking for the traffic. Skyhawk 7 November Delta. Skyhawk 7 November Delta, we've got that Skyhawk ahead of me in sight.
Skyhawk 7 November Delta, roger. Number 4 November Delta, taxi straight ahead to the ramp.
Straight ahead to the ramp, thanks for your help, sir, Skyhawk 4, November Delta.
Yes! Yes! Yes!